Chaos in the streets, chaos in the street, chaos in the streets, chaos in the streets, chaos in the streets, chaos in the street, chaos in the streets, chaos in the street, chaos in the streets, hunger in your teeth, strong from the weak, nature of the beast, chaos in the streets, hunger in your teeth, strong from the weak, nature of the beast.
I got thoughts in my head and they're not right. Lyrics is so cold, I'll give you motherfuckers frostbite. I'm ferocious, every line is like a dog bite. Mentally disturbing, like how people bet on dog fights.
Chaos in the streets, hunger in your teeth, strong from the weak, nature of the beast. Chaos in the streets, hunger in your teeth, strong from the weak, nature of
Hey, what are you finna do tonight, rude boys?
Man, we need some bitches up in here. This is like a sausage factory.
Let's go to the club.
Yes, but who is going to drive us?
Shoddy nut.
Nah.
Nope.
Bullocks. Oh, I have an idea. Madchild can drive. He's sober. He can drive us anywhere we want to go. Someone phone him. Oh, I'm such a genius.
Whoa, what's up, Mad?
What good, me black warrior?
My liege.
Come on.
Right.
Okay, boys, let's get her down. Let's go, boys. Let's go hit the town.
I got thoughts in my head and they're not right. Lyrics is so cold, I'll give you motherfuckers frostbite. I'm ferocious, every line is like a dog bite. Mentally disturbing, like how people bet on dog fights. Off-white, I never got to go to prom night. Put myself in stupid situations, not a calm life. I keep on thinking I'll stack gold like it's a Klondike. My cards are stacked against me like I'm trying to fuck a blonde dyke.
Chaos in the streets, hunger in your teeth, strong from the weak, nature of the beast. Chaos in the streets, hunger in your teeth, strong from the weak, nature of
Hulk's back, almost drowned but had to float back. Now I'm hanging rappers like their jackets on a coat rack. I got myself a little salt and was a broke cat. Make the crowd go, oh, oh, you're a broke cat. Hoping I am warping into something that is great. I'm so sick to say it must have just been something that he ate.
chaos in the streets, hunger in your teeth, strong from the weak, nature of the beast. Chaos in the streets, hunger in your teeth, strong from the weak, nature of
Allison. Oh, man, you're the... What?
You see the others on that girl? She was hotter than a goat's butt in a pepper patch. Hello.
Cheers!
I fucked Wonder Woman.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you so much for coming to our meeting regarding sales for Lawnmower Man. Now, here, Brendan, I'd like you to focus on acquiring new target demographics in other regions around the world. As a reminder that for your efforts, you shall be compensated with cheese.